Hello again. My name is Cord Sanksteg. I'm a design engineer here at Sheldon Manufacturing, and today I'm introducing the SMI39 Microbiological Incubator, a high-capacity roll-in incubator designed for diverse applications in pharmaceuticals, microbiology, and life sciences. The SMI39 is a large-capacity incubator built to handle high-volume incubation needs while ensuring uniform temperature control and optimized airflow. With a large viewing window and roll-in design, this unit is engineered for convenience without compromising performance. Now, let's take a look inside the unit. First thing that you will notice is the large tempered glass viewing window. Next, sturdy door construction coupled with powered air circulation ensures excellent temperature stability and uniformity while the unit is in operation. Next, you will notice 4 evenly spaced accessory power outlets. These are evenly spaced to ensure that each of these 6 included shelves receive accessory power as they need to. Up here, there's a 1 3/4 inch access port to pass any cables or tubing that you would like to have inside the unit. Additionally, the roll-in floor design features 2 tracks that fit excellent with our roll-in cart available for purchase. Last, you will notice stainless steel construction. This ensures corrosion resistance and optimizes the longevity of your unit. Located on the lower left side of your unit is the main power inlet. Each unit comes with a compatible power cord in the ship kit. To ensure safe operation, the unit must be connected to a properly grounded electrical outlet. For information related to further electrical safety as well as installation instructions, including clearances, please visit the user manual. Now that we've got the unit plugged in, we're ready to turn it on. After a moment, the main temperature display becomes available. The user is able to monitor current temperature in the unit, as well as adjust temperature set point and calibrate as they need to. Additionally, this unit features an over temperature limiter. This is a mechanical safety device that helps prevent overheating of your unit. The SMI39 Microbiological Incubator is a smart investment for your lab. With its 38.6 cubic foot capacity, roll-in floor design, and large viewing window, this incubator is engineered for labs that demand precision, efficiency, and scalability in their microbiological and life sciences applications.